Keija, aka Chocolicious, and I'm back with you guys with another YouTube video.
I'ma let it get amnesia. Popping them X, no sleeping. It's lit this fucking weekend. Got a lot of niggas on creeping. I make this shit look easy. Fuck that shit, I'm sleazy. And I can get a little bit freaky. Keija gonna take your man. Sardines ain't go what's playing. Get on my line, oh bitch.
Y'all, it took me like a long time to make another YouTube video. It took me like a year, no, really over a year. Maybe going on 2 now. But I just been really busy. My life been off track. But now I'm back and I'm better as ever, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so in this video, it's gonna be a makeup tutorial. I did an easy little makeup look or whatever for you guys. You know, a little cute and soft little makeup look. You know, I don't really have a name for it yet, but I'm gonna come up with a name whenever I finish editing this video and stuff. But yeah, you guys, if you want to see how I got this gorgeous, easy, simple look, stay tuned. My chocolate drops, as you can see that I already have my eyebrows done, so it saved me time. If anybody wants to know how I do my eyebrow, just like and subscribe and I will make a video. And in this video, I'm just going to be really using the box of crayon palette by Super. Alrighty, first I'm going to be going in with the color yellow. And I'm just going to be dabbing that into my crease with my e.l.f. crease brush. I got these brushes from Walmart for just $1. I have several of them, so you guys will see me alternating brushes throughout the video. And I'm actually just using dabbing motion just so I can enhance that color. After I finish enhancing that color by dabbing it in, I'm just going to use what I call the windshield wiping motion all in my crease. Now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. fluff brush, well, blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that color all onto my eyelids. Now I'm going to be going in again with my crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the color pink, and I'm going to also be dabbing that color pink all into my crease. Now I'm going to be going in with the color orange with another crease brush, and I'm going to be dabbing that also into my crease. Now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just blending all those colors together. If you guys feel like you need to go back in with that pink or that orange, go for it. You are not hurting anybody. When applying eyeshadow, it's just all about enhancing your colors. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the color magenta with my eyeshadow brush. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put that on top of that orange where the orange stops at. So it can have a little, you know, sharpened look, you can see. After I finish applying the color magenta, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. blending brush and blend all those colors in. Now I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 360, and I'm just going to basically be cutting my crease. When cutting your crease with this look, it doesn't actually have to be perfect. The reason being is because we're actually going to be adding a pink liner on top of it. I'm going to be going in with this shimmer eyeshadow I have got. I don't know where I got this from, but you guys can also use the white in the crayon palette box. But I'm just going to be dabbing that all into the crease that I made. Now I'm going to be applying the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. I forgot what color it was, but I'll leave it down in the description below. A quick tip with doing your liner, I feel like doing your liner should be a quick pace, because when going slow, you're really going to mess up, especially if you have shaking hands. Now I'm just going in with my liquid eyeliner. This is not the eyeliner that I usually use. I usually use the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner because it really applies on better than this one. But basically, I'm just swinging it out. Just swinging it out. Just swinging it out. These are actually the lashes I'm going to apply. I will be applying them off camera because I can't really get a good view. But if you guys want a full video on how I do my eyelashes, just like and subscribe. I'm just going in with my black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in the color medium to dark. And I'm just going to be going in with that highlighter with my crease brush. And I'm just going to apply that on top, well, under my brow bone, just so it could give all those colors a pop. Before I put on my foundation, I will be applying my e.l.f. Poreless face primer. This primer works really well. It's real light. it feel like you actually have nothing on your face, but it also makes your makeup stick all the way throughout the day. But I wouldn't say it's a great primer for your makeup to stay matted throughout the whole entire day. It actually gives you a dewy finish look. So if you guys have oily skin, I would not recommend this primer at all. Alright, you guys, now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Foundation in the color 430, and I'm going to be using my foundation brush by Luxe. I think that's what you call it. I got it from this beauty package I ordered offline. But yeah, I'm just going to be dabbing this in my face so it could sink in my pores better. And yeah, I started putting Cormax on my lips so I don't get makeup all on my lips. You know how you have that ashy makeup look? I don't want that. So yeah, I moisturize my lips before putting on my foundation. Quick tip. Whenever you're applying your foundation, make sure you bring that foundation way down to your neck so it doesn't look like you're wearing a mask. Now I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty Concealer in the color 360. And I'm just going to be applying this concealer under my eyes, my nose, the middle of my forehead, and also my chin. Now I'm going to be using my Damp Clean Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to be blending that concealer all over the areas that I applied it at. Make sure you blend until you're satisfied on the way it looks. Just going to take my Airspun powder to bake my face. I got it from my local Walmart for I think $3 or $5. It wasn't really expensive, it was really cheap. And I'm just going to apply this with my makeup wedge. I got those at Walmart too. A big pack for like, I would say $1 or $2. But yeah, super cheap, non-expensive. When you're baking your face, make sure that you don't want to apply too much powder, or your makeup going to appear ashy and you will have these ashy flashbacks. And no, we do not want that, honey. So please do not apply too much of this Airspun powder. contour my face, I'm going to be using the True Complexion palette, and I'm going to be using the colors medium to dark. Going to be taking my Airspun powder, and I'm just going to apply that underneath my contour on my makeup wedge, just so it can enhance my contour and make my cheekbones appear much higher than they usually are. Now I'm just going to remove all of this Airspun powder from off my face with a small powder brush. I'm going to be contouring my nose with that same True Complexion palette. I'm just going to carve it out. You guys, if you want a more detailed video of anything in this video that you didn't catch, please leave it in the comments below. Just please, 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 and I'll make a way more detailed video than this, you guys. Now I'm going to be highlighting my face. Highlight my face, I put it on the tip of my nose, the middle of my forehead, my cheekbones, and my chin. I also put some of the highlighter on the corner of my eyes also. Now I'm just going to be taking this orange and putting this underneath my eyes. I'm also going to go in with the magenta also and mix these colors together. I'm going to be taking my Hard Candy Matted Setting Spray. You guys, I love this setting spray. If you guys have oily skin, you need this. Like, need this. And I'm just going to spray away. Yes, I do spray a lot of setting spray. But if you don't want to spray a lot, you don't have to. Alrighty, my chocolate drops, this is the final look of my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys didn't catch on anything or need help on anything else, just please leave a comment below, and I'll just make a way more detailed video than this. But thanks for watching. Bye, guys.